3 of the world's most endangered birds. Let's start. Number 1. California Condor. Once on the brink of extinction, the California condor has a wingspan of nearly 10 feet and is critically endangered due to habitat loss and lead poisoning from ingesting spent ammunition. Number 2. Spix's macaw. Native to Brazil, Spix's macaw is believed to be extinct in the wild. Conservation efforts are underway to breed these vibrant blue birds in captivity and reintroduce them to their natural habitat. Number 3. Kakapo. The kakapo, a flightless parrot from New Zealand, is critically endangered due to predation by introduced species. Conservationists have implemented intensive breeding programs to increase its population, which currently numbers fewer than 250 individuals. Thanks for watching.